Hey guys, it's Annie Margarita Yang back with another Annie Yang financial video for you today. Today I will be doing an honest review of ProPhotos AI. This is, I believe, number 8 in a series of 23 honest reviews of AI headshot generators. The reason I'm doing this entire series is because I will be speaking at schools, so basically colleges and universities, and I'm speaking to an age group that really can't afford to pay $300 to $500 for a professional headshot. But these days, if you do want to land a job quickly, especially right out of college, one of the most important things you need to have is a professional headshot for your LinkedIn profile. So what I'm trying to do here is I'm going to put down my own money and basically figure out what are the best AI headshot generators on the market right now. So then college students or anyone who basically can't afford to pay $300 to $500 for a professional headshot could just simply upload selfies or photos of themselves taken with their phone and get a really good looking AI generated headshot that they can use for their LinkedIn profile. So without further ado, let's try out ProPhotos AI today. I don't have a coupon code. Okay. So out of all of the ones that I'll be testing, so I actually looked ahead and started pricing them out, like the package price, if it was very clear and obvious on their website. And $155 is the most expensive package out of every single service out there. Despite it being super expensive, I'm going to try out the most expensive one because I really want to see what their software is capable of, and I want to see like the full range of headshots. So this one is $155 for their service, and it will give 160 unique headshots. So this is the one I'm going to be buying. Okay, so basically now on this page, it's a short 1-minute video that explains how to get the best results for your AI photo shoot. And the tips are basically one, quality is more important than quantity. So basically 5 to 10 photos of the best photos of you are better than 25 bad quality photos of yourself. The other thing he's saying is to crop out photos if it includes other people because you don't want the AI to accidentally train on someone else's face. And the third thing is rather than taking selfies of yourself all in one day, it's better to have it spread out across multiple days so that you're wearing different clothes, you're in different environments, because it basically tries to look for your facial features and to see like the most common recurring features. So that's what it's saying. This software specifically only asks for 7 to 10 photos. Yep, different days, backgrounds and lighting, close up and medium is ideal. Crop out other people. Don't use sunglasses and use different angles. Okay. So I can only have 10, right? Just gonna try. Let's try out these, I guess. Sure. Let's try these. See? I know it says to not use them from the same day, but I just want to keep using the same inputs that I have been using for all of these services to really compare apples to apples and not apples to oranges. I'm a woman, I have brown eyes, and I'm gonna turn this off because I can always retouch after. I really just want to see what it looks like without retouching. Let's see. And it says that it will be ready in 45 minutes. So I'll wait 45 minutes, but you don't have to. See you in a few seconds. Hey guys, I just got. Oh, did I scare you? Sorry, I'm recording. Hey guys, just got the email that the AI headshots from ProPhotos is ready. Let's take a look because it's a surprise for me as well. I also asked Julian from ProPhotos if they have an affiliate program, and apparently they do. And this guy also told me that he's happy to give me a free credit for an updated AI model in the coming weeks. So maybe I can give it a try, but this is a surprise for me as well. So let's take a look at the results. Yeah. What?
You get affiliate link promo?
Yes, I got an affiliate link.
I'm waiting for my affiliate, and they don't reply back after they forward it to the.
Okay, Andrew, I'm recording right now. I'm just going to leave this in the video because you're messing up my video just to show you don't mess up anymore. This, oh my gosh, it doesn't look anything like me. What's this?
So I'm just gonna buy all the things myself.
Huh?
This is a white. What the fuck? This is great. This is whitewashing, literally. Fuck. Ooh, the fuck.
Oh my gosh.
The fuck, baby, your eyes become so sharp. Your eyes become Asian. Look at this.
Am I like Angelina Jolie eyes?
Oh, this
or
looks
Megan
like
Fox?
like a Polish or something. This looks very Chinese. This program is racist. Oh my god, it looks so different.
Do any of them look like me?
Latina here. Latina too.
Do any of these look like me so far?
No.
Okay.
Oh, this looks very pretty though. Go.
Where? He's pointing at this one.
Wait, why are you recording?
Because people need to see the results and I'm recording the results. And you're hijacking my recording, so.
What? You're calling me here.
Sorry.
You're calling me and you're hijacking, you crazy. False accusation, huh? Crazy. Jesus. Don't re-record, okay?
No, I'm not re-recording this.
Hey.
You're not in the video anyway, I think, because the way the video is cropped, it's like this. So they only hear you, they don't see you. Yeah, these photos look so bad, I don't think I can use any of them. None of them look like me. So this is a definite pass. Don't use the service, it's a waste of your money. Unless, because Julian did say in his email that they are launching an updated AI model in the coming weeks, and he'll give me manual access to see the results of the new version and that they are pretty good. This version is pretty bad. Maybe you'll get better results if you're Asian. No, not Asian. Maybe you'll get better results if you're white, but definitely not if you're Asian. This looks nothing like me. Man. The only ones, maybe this whole row is the most similar, but aside from that, nope. Okay, guys, this is a pass. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos in the future. If you want to see the results from other AI headshot generators, then you can head over to my site, annieyangfinancial.com, to get to this page, this article here, where I'm going to put the results of all the others as well. You can head over to book resources at the top. And scroll down to chapter 16 and click read. And in the next 2 weeks, I will be updating this page with all of the ones that I've reviewed. So far, I've reviewed 10 of them. So almost halfway there. There's a total of 22 to review. So let's see how this goes. So far, I still have to say Try It On AI is the best so far if you're asking for my opinion, because these are the most realistic and the ones that resemble me the most. And there are some that are like second best, kind of close, kind of a tie, but it's hard for me to say just yet. But there are some ones that I can say absolutely not. Don't waste your money. At the end of this, I will be reshuffling all of these to sort from best to worst, so you know how I will rank these AI headshot generators. And if you enjoyed today's video and you want to financially support my channel, then head on over to AnnieYangFinancial.com and buy my book, The 5-Day Job Search. If you're not ready to buy the book just yet and you want to learn more about the book, then you can listen to the audiobook for free. To get the free audiobook, you can go over to the book resources and click audiobook and type in your first name and your email to download it. But I swear, after you listen to the 5-hour audiobook, you're going to want to buy the signed paperback copy, because this book is chock full of so much information. There are 49 chapters in the book, and the way this book is written, you're going to have to read it, then apply some of the information, then go back, read some more, and apply the information. And because of this, the best way to really reference the book, the way it's meant to be used, is to get the paperback version, because you don't want to shuffle through 5 hours of audio to find what you were looking for. You want to just refer back to the paperback, which you can open it up and find what you were looking for in just a minute. So to get the signed paperback copy, head on over to the homepage of AnnieYangFinancial.com, click Buy My Signed Copy Now, add the book to your shopping cart, and upon checkout, you can use the coupon code WIN. That's WIN for a 10% off discount on the signed paperback copy. That's it for today. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos in the future, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.